Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Favicon in Google Ads. So when you create your Google Ads account, they'll ask you to create your first campaign. Now here under create your campaign, you'll see create ads, right? When you reach this section, what you want to do is scroll down to images right here, and then you have logos. Now click on the plus button for logos, and then you'll be on this page. Come here on the last option, click on upload. Now you can either upload from your computer, add from Google Drive or Dropbox, or just upload it to your media right here by dragging the file here. So now we are on this website where you can download free, favicons, so for different styles. Now, I chose this one. Just come here, click on download, and then you can download the free PNG version right here. Scroll down, click on download. It'll automatically start downloading. And now I'm going to drag and drop this right here. And then let's see, we're dragging and dropping this Favicon we just downloaded right here. Okay, let me go access my file explorer. All right, there we go. We have found it. I'm going to click on open, and now it is uploading my Favicon, right? So I'm just going to wait for it to be done uploading, and then once the asset has uploaded, it will be also saved to my library. And let me press this so I can drop this down. So this is a preview. You can go ahead and save this. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So if I open this up, if I click on edit, you can see this is there, and it's also added to my asset library. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.